Yamaya shofo nyina hama makwaba e de ba Ashtown online TV so. Emra so say ye de ema mu nsem besom mo. Nene samo sha eneme mu asesa kakra. Ye the aftermath of NPP parliamentary primaries election. Course na ano memende etwemu. Ene ye de besom mo se kasebo. Nsam no ebi wo ho amuhu ye ebi wo ho amuhu de ete ebi ntu amote de esi ye na mo manya nkyeremu afi na me mabedwafo agi edwa ye be pensem mu e de akyeremu midin de nana abna akyemai ye twa ye ho aba me ba medan mabedwafo edi ne de pensem mu ne nso ato aso Yanyina yanim ene ebeka nso se eye memenda etwemu yi ene NPP amenyokuo eto aba edi yi omanem sifo a ombekwa kwesi omanem wo mrahye bedwem e wa fimpi mienu ne aduonu abato aye beto yi na se yanyina yehu ya miaye bi wantwi bi kooso ebi ne ba ntema entokwa gidigidi bi ma ne muso yebo pini ya eye foto album omode to aba no eno na saa o makofa nam so ma esampe santo kwawe esiye yenko hwese de esikoye emra Nyina kwa basa biem ene mabedwafo amenu mo be pensem ye odisheba kofi ene Queen NK odisheba akwa se bibi obo ko
na de ho ayefe
oh medas onso ho ayefe
na show
Queen onso bibi obo ko mi jidi se ye Saturday no mi cheme mende etwe ma bato ye course mu ko hobi ana mukoi nya da je koi
ye ko hwe se de na na masipo
na se mu hu ye mo ti bi nso nenne bibi o me pese me meye kan ho asem ye eye bantema subin ena new job constituency se mu nyina mo beka ya me ndan mo hu de course ema ye bu bi mu ye de bi mu mpo hyehye dem tutun mu se mpo abato okampo nke ema omo nkonkoto ebi se eye photo album ene omokofa ya edisa bai we kwa nam so ma ye sabo lo ye bi nso samote ya ede ba de na ekoso enti your friend is say sabato we kwa mpo ne ye say primaries we mpo ne ye say na presidential one no ebe de na akoso ye audition
ma me da say me hwe said ye enema esi kona na chese afi 2020 abana ye betu be ye hu pa
enya ko
every say we kra eye primaries kekempo oni kase we kase bibi ye primaries a chese na nketo am kra enu mpo ni NPP for my yenya ntie say omo the protocols e egu akwem a omo de be hwe say yare no ana say abaye beto no enkofa yare bi a emre nanso ahyase no na nka niam e koso yi ezo hwe social distance no mampanyin kan ho asem ya ye bobo resource yi krampo wa hwe say de nkofo sie ni agi a amanfo kan fa so yenko achi kra bantima ekesi ya hwe entokwa pe wa amanfo ekon na aposifo na sojafo eba momo na saa nipa yi a wo bam ni so wo yare ni bi kura bedewu ni nyina so egna delegate kuro ya so na eda di pefe se aba omotu ya MPP ka se omo de niam agu akwam bi se delegates no omo educate omo ye because ansa na nka aba na beba so krampo no etwa se delegates ni nyina omo no omo hia ebia constituency by constituency and a district by district omo nyina ehia na mo educate omo say nipa adwuma na ye beye ebufu betimi aba bibia betimi asi na emum esan say yade aba na ye ni normal times nti no e ma ye nye bibia emfa ngu amanyoko no nimu ase enso hwede na ekoso photo album kekenti obi se ne picture album na eno so so kra kire se NPP amanyoko na nkasa o ma mo hu yi asa no beto aba no efi se ebra photo album no kra be true constituency wo etwa se mutimi hwe se obia picture obia ni aba pepepe ansa kra na da na ye beto aba na ye dey matwen amada na prayer afi no bia ba se media ama mani mu ama
asemo
o be na topa ma ti eno ene ntokwa na be ba sa
na kan so aje
sa semi na kaminya kanifona ka be busa o e chere say ya dan na se si dan na o se ya ready say ya ba beto aba na obi baba na ni din na che sa ho bo no enwie pe because say we pe why you ready say o beto aba they was so making sure say delegates no bi adi o so ne be ya maba mi din mi hu mi photo ni sa ne manyama na betim de basa ya aba e bi ntimi sie na afi so se mi hu se ne basa ya cause ma mi hu se still me mi hu se yanti democracy asiye shewajuna ye de aspirants akwa kujina hono ama NPP amanyoko je okwa akoye sada na ne se okwa akwa chere se meme de bisu se yemfama we na mejidi se okwa obetimi a represent yen constituency no eyi na basa ye wo mne se kone ko chere wa adwuma de basa ya na ne topa ene de yen enti me susu se o se education e ko ye pa because say primaries be say it is for primaries yeah and then na Roma 2020 election yeah because primaries and no more yes na 2020 election and then they see
one say if you just so lawyer your friend lawyer Kwame Adomapia and now no me ko do moja pram sa me mbom pini enko mi nko bisa na yes say photo album amode to abano was say eye ne delegate ni bidin ema ebi pictures ni so into wabefa na me bi so eye say sempo papa na kofa sa album na eye sa atwans wa omode na temu ma na
asemu sa asemu ejina fanu mienu edi kan no lawyer na nkasa wo masudi na military men no mo no so wo masudi yemfa no baako no hwe as a lawyer we am branim ni a woni mu mra eno kra na nchen o sa ye aspirant a ugina ama ya to so aba eti migidi ye say ya wa fantiti ye bebre mu as an aspirant ye wa fantiti ye mu ena as a lawyer nso ye wa fantiti ye mu enti se wakoto say o delegate edin anaso mo picture MP or photo album a as a lawyer as an aspirant then necessary ye wo officials wo a e wo so mo address sa case no ebi a mpanyufo menipa asimasi di anye dey amma etimu me yehwe na se mete ye so de matwu men ene nam no mo sisa papers entwa yi ene no so na nche no military men no mo che no ewum se asojafo de omo culture no do before complain but Ghana mre mu no instant justice enye adwuma eti nkomo che no e wo se nkomo so nya abotre no mo bisa no ewiase de abufu timi de bibia eden eba
mi twa no yes say enye baby ba ko no ko yo ofri ha no okwa ha ofri ha entu ha baby okofa last one eboni wo munya so just nya hint sa ade a wo ye no
and I make say as a lawyer no and as an aspirant no wa anye ni nemo military men and soldier for no mo born no so no omo so anye ni ito mu mienu ne wo se mra hwe no omo ni omo di if you say wo ye lawyer ni a uni mu mra wo ye aspirant uni rules and regulations govern elections not at that particular time so you should know what to do and what not to do so what I say it is a work of photo album say me nipa di am memuti me pena ma ye nto aba na wo bu mra ena wo ye soldier ni so na wakoche aspirant and as a lawyer ni say wo bu mra so nti mabona onso wo bu mra it omu mienu ni na wo say from wo mra ni
me ya papa
me ni jina ha nyaten me jim di say it says any before see can says lawyer echo round epeke photo album me jim because lawyer onye paketo onye mranim ni ankasa our fantasy what in some cases a hold it's 1 year lawyer to I mean Jimmy say because when you mama lawyer ni mama mean Jimmy say lawyer bet me around up a photo album mean Jimmy say lawyer bet my mean Jimmy say we meet me here so we are in here na so we need or see it's to your cost one issue me
yeah some more
we suspect foul play
Saturday ni dia ensem si pa se e kwhwe brown hafo a
me ba wo asem no se dia asem si tie no e wo mu se yentumi enyina nkan ne mu tete nkan na emu entimi nkoba se lawyer gina ne ba bia na ya bechi
na bono
there is a course the what you say ne opponent no ne gina no according to o say anopa no mo frɛ no mo ka chense say ni say na lawyer aye e wo constituency eti ono krampo afi na otike mu a o ba de onya fa na ni nye de ampa so yekoduru ho ya bo lawyer eti lawyer gina ho na wanya hwea as an aspirant wanya hwea senke bebu obi krampo a e bia nka delegate no mo around ne be de ye bebo but the moment a yetimi a chi lawyer abono no that means say he did something
ena enokra na nchen kwa no sempo no wankoye bibi bone a yesim mecho mendi nachi
exactly
na se mecho mendi we chi ne de ukra okopede wo you
are not a delegate it ukopede wo
ye bedi achire de besi bia no ye besade ye besade abrasha fo na bono mantem so akonya wo ho se wo MP utimi tire wonsa hwe obi eni so bedwo all because say enipa no na we ye adwuma ma wo enene we free wo nchen akonya wo ho sa se no krampo na nchen so kra nipa ne sese bi wo sa ya yarefo sa wa tetena eni se otuhye no so bo ne sa akonya bi da wo sa se wo se panyi a wo de wonim de utimi tire wonsa wo bedwo hwe obi eni so sa
but no matter what, we need more kind. So especially or yet or kind or your role model or more delegates Ghana for I work with swings and air shed the so as you it is has to buy where you buy papa youth Marantilla I work rooms bit me it is a channel people ye be a bit me answer as any back and say any man so yes sir. To me, so say when I try it,
on said according to story, no said ye si ba ya. Sa honorable na okohwe obi aso. Ye say nipa na obo na so na o ye the campaign manager. Our campaign man since last year nyina. But em center one tower kakra bi ye dey APA. Em ma no kodi de one ne gina no. Em ma no be ye ni spokesperson. 18 no your friend nipa na ye ne twetwe nkomo no asem o kan say obi ja ne card bi ofie ene your friend no onye delegate na emu your friend say on fa card no ehia no center ho eti ono ekon na honorable so ne macho men edinachi but ono okaka say ohun say honorable na de ne nsa abona na oye tofo na emu ebra ensa ne bo no na otwa ne no na macho men no aye honorable a chese o hwe honorable gesture na o make attempt say obesa abobiem. You get it? It as to say honorable na ball no since we be na ball honorable na honorable e fighting the back or no nim but we nim an say utwa na ni no na honorable e attempt say obe hit and e restrict no ni nyina mu no ewie say education ankoso yi because senka education ekoso yi a honorable mu a o say aspirant na empo woni obi wo personal issues a enye electoral center ene yekokon ho ntopa e bia wa che na chire no dufu na eno ye mo ntem asem ene e ban so ansem twerefo ye beka na emom se center utimu sensem twerefo kukudam nyina wo ho cameras media houses bebre nyina wo ho na honorable okoto nsa na ne nyina mu no so no e fa dodo na mede so bo bebo NDC NPP amanyuku efi se sankofo wo nyina wo senka munumu ho na party ni take action Mashama, honorable ya lawyer ya bona sumi. Mo ntimi anka no hwe. Mama ya to no so aba.
Enu nti na wen.
Nti ko nyan so anka edema no. Honorable ya wakobo obi, mo anka ho hwe. Mama ya to no so aba. Enkofo mu bubo nwia, ukọ ablekuma north anadwo. A isi ahyehyɛ wɔn fidie sɛ abekyɛ a yɛbɛto aba na nkɔfoɔ ma besia ɛpɔ mo to ase bonwia na mote hɔ na mo hwɛ.
Ah, ma no mo yɛ no, ɔmo baake NDC na NPP.
Ɔmo nyinaa yɛ delegates. I yes me no wo pre aba.
Yes,
that is it. That is
These
it.
are some of the problems
NPP for now more original.
Party ni mu na nkasa.
And you phone him sanya many na omo ne ekoso nyina but obi an condemn.
When you call them
so silence means consent. That is no for us to say enkoso sa, which is very wrong.
Because nipa gina ho e bodua adan a se mu hwie mu a say enyem na hwan na e ko hwie mu
NPP
party enye se we general election party say NPP party na mu na kura po unity enimu a then e be then na
we trust you. How can we trust you? Better get me I trust him saying for online and shamo.
On say enema kitinkiti we na ese say ye Ghana for yitimi tena se ne adwen de bia na ye de kokobɔ ni na e ma omampanyi e na omampanyi hwe delegates mpo omonye MP so omonye ministers delegates se me ne wa ye te ya e betima delegates e na omo twom e bro omo bonua na ne ye bi sa nipa we ya so e ba di omo
minus one
sa for your delegates, beyond the Babe MPs,
Obedi Omano,
Babe minister, beyond the Babe president.
And so you're two of
what kind of leaders?
But if you are not or can end the center or mine penny for you, simple for you, and so you answer you buying.
And Marso said, was a penny for Cassettias and Yaman.
Also, obey you when you saw obey and also.
Near found her time. Near war, say,
your friend in no cressa contumbo. And a contumba no crack. I see at your man, you must say, air person not been going to make a sense. Not for my attaching anything.
You need that.
If
it's all come, I should be democracy say, MPP near NDC. And as I say, as a more dominating our country, CPP.
And my class was said, the was think you two say NPP near NDC. And near 5 different parties. Eba near share, yes, one also say
CPP or young panel. They be MPP, NDC. And so MPP for bar, NDC for see who your more. Yet the MPP for so NDC for see who your more. It's not on mine or ending. Yeah, on mine.
The way of opposition are your Cassetiano, and one over party over power. And one also, yeah. It was the point.
Yen too fine, near call Wallency constituency. A one and cry and sack everyone say, a Jabrant and be out to NPP officer, a woho, young Koshema.
Tell a garage to the information.
So we need and the coach and I say wine in the coach to the King's Army. Ya can't run tomorrow. And I bet to any DHS about to any people want to be honest. The delegate votes in each number and a delegate for now is with me.
Hey, Raman.
And I met you. Now the world will see now or party office now did go to party office and
who himself and about to important to pensi e kejato we carry the best NDC
and they send no
ke because be NDC for ni bi na ko cheja
where is NDC for spell of
me bon guys so mo dey na nya so because NPP for you full back kuma and on move for the property.
I said, oh yes, the social video said,
tell a garage to the information.
Now the Kujaya bulletin and sa, military men, policemen, now, and no accident. That means that sheda. Do you get it? And I wish I had no crampuna. It is a threat because I say tie and yagada and you trade your tomb. Meaning say they are eager to do something. It is either say they don't accept defeat. And I say you be a coso wasn't and so let's not say ansana in Jabesha say we see chance. You say we see na chance. I pay the feel I never
yeah, some more.
And yes, some get to our
Yeah, same time. Young quay monetization. And pinning for any be your margin say you better bar. Sad time nona, your Pakiska, what's a Ghana says Kenny Ghana. Time may also say a better ban, and one of who's in penny for any be a fair tree. Chase Canadian and night man Quenya Namukobodia. Namokwaji. Yansha, your friend is penny be a friend on. Adua Safo. Yes, and now TV, flash screen I can see, and the blender I can see and watch the delegates. Said the NT. Said the NT. Erica Mount Quably. On Umpo bicycles. Yes, when young. While quite Jinaki imagine bicycles. It's all for 2 and that's why they come home.
Namuko Chamber man and Chaminica so cow and Zambo.
When you go to Beman away and chow. When you are more call agreement. A bit member say Nipa won't sabe canoe crowd by the bike and a bian on it to mount.
On say Enna Nameka say, as a country now, Casano, we need education. We need education, papa, because Domiko Benyani are okay, I draw suffer. Onoka the evans only unyai, into any normal. Name at the first place, no, a campaign and a way. Ubetimiacha, dear. Name Yanka say, Adena old channel, a game and you is either say Bakube winning, Bakube Lucy. It is a one Lucy, I didn't know I was a Wakoje Wadi. Ladaduko to pony, honorable vessels, Wakoche blender, and a 50 CDs per each delegate. Otwa Bawenya, Onokra de Minyantes or Quajus or Quaju. Name bicycle ni, Watwaba, well Lucy, was a major bicycle. Sana Yadia. Watch a bicycle over 250 bicycles, or we are seeing 43 penetration. That means that more bicycle no crampo, a fan and also let's say well losing into no cocoa bicycle. Yes,
first, and only I say before somebody says can be my bodia. A bien, a be on my bodia and come to me and go in to Akunyasa.
But the question is Parliament one and Casano, a dear bay pan is shewa into amount for is eager say, ni few crowd about Tom at the Akotana.
Say omo kwatina ho kra mpona ena bia ya wo mote no omo ye impuntu obi kra wo ho ama wo man kanya ya omo nya kwatina ho a yenimo
kai ne nyama ya omo chiche ko bi so mo be ka che say e lobby and omo lobby na dey say and say wo sere obi say mama kwan na me mramba be di wani na me mbe di nkuni na me di nkuni ma be say to Mr. Ottoman and when not being low because of influencing my decision. 80 Margin say obey to me I but I know quite a fast I did man a this album idea and when they say yes I say a flash screen name blend and anyone on church quite fast here. The moment I didn't order at the negotiation in some direct side general not a yard and the bribery. Meanwhile bribery idea or run a cassette here. 80% who say, Adentina, or my own penny for name say, bribery, any corruption, yeah, because Emranitia, then so be anti commission as Ababe no, Ababe had there normal. It is all so yeah, aspirants, they are enough of the Bibra.
And so NPP are bank so pass bribery and corruption. Next, they say, when what is sending crow for any bijumo, it's near marketing, it's say, Nasa buying to me and Cassentia. Now, so the cash is so with bribery and corruption as here. Because these are little things. Almost your more lobby, but what they are not some direct. Into what they cash and say, not to mommy. What bribery?
Yes, because Osha bribery, Yakasa bribery, Yakasa and a bribery no fair. Giving something to somebody to influence the person for a position.
Sure.
80 Mr. Tumame, Jeffoni. na to mame otomame a mesa yi sei ama na wo de no kra na nchen wan nya a osase fa me phone mame eno ye lobby na mu ma se hwe ukodo me kwabenya asem esi wo ne se delegates na o to aba no okojina box ni na o to aba wo se wo yi ne phone asa de o ye call na o twa ballot sheet no o che na bisa na o se ye se me fa me kire se me to aba na wan ne se to waji TV eti no o de won kwa ekoto trouble mu say me kutwa eno krampo ye offense number 1 then so ye hwe ne ye nka say bribery wo di sika anase bicycle akomo bi so onto nipa na nto ama ti wakose sa fa me bicycle sa fa me na next year and next 4 years o sa ba
obesaje e bi obedu onu o ana no oba akokra
na ya me pese e draw your attention e konya masa so say e was a delegate no a omo ye sa ade no they all bribe any the order they are all
corrupt
the same offense committed the same offense it's me pese ana me pese delegates oni hu say eye omai no na ye ton e dia masa leaders you and are so called and are aspiring leaders you so who ton omai no agede 1,000 Ghana cedis flat screen is that how much who say omai ne worth it is a chilebi sani pana or bro 1,000 or bro 500 or bro flat screen bicycle no set tomano otomano no ko dru no wentimi ampe for me a obetimi a holding accountable obetimi a abusa ne say wo ka kire me say obeye nyema say wentimi anye I didn't know wentimi anye obetimi abusa no what you what to it won't be abusa no and nyema bi say na me pese ye dey attention e koso na ye kasetia because everyone mine see you see a poor mind ye or mining puntua and never say was penning for opinion leaders and him for whoever pastors in penning for or some of the yes and your man.
She also party ne de e wo hokakraka ye nyina ye party members ebi am wo NPP mo NDC nemu esan say ye ntumi nko ka say ye nyina bebrebe ne nyina nipa 18 million ne nyina ye kwakọ yi we say onkonko gina ma ye party na ansa na election ya sakoto ama ne nti ene ye we say o ye delegate chese gina ye nyina ya name in the constituency na munko yi obi a ye nyina ye ba beto ne so aba enti wo ko yi nipa no hu ne say e ya sudie ne de ato so it is a responsibility enti wo yi nipa no ama ye nyina ye wo constituency na se wo meme se koyi obi ma me na meme beto ne so aba na wo de meme ho koje flat screen wo de meme ho koje 50 Ghana cedis oh na nipa no wi no okotena ho na se meme timi fe na me ka se no ho kire me a wa se atwa ho asa aba ka kire me se e na o man ni nkoyi e na ya pan atete na 50 Ghana na what they should
how cheap the country is
flat screen
is that how cheap Ghana is 50 cedis flat screen what they turn on mine on their move I can say if you also if you have to go that far say oh more be say 80 years say man just one person when you're responsible enough because so obetimi aye adwuma na prove my enhwe
sir
convince me say obetimi fa o man enhwe so me constituency enhwe wonsa metimi aye
me de ha me say
o say we this come up e ma me ansa na
my bibia
when it means one person
you are not competent
yes I can trust you
they are meant to say obi wo ha woni Ghana omo pray na ne busu ani afọ so amanaba e bia aha meti mi hu say nipa ne da na omo diske pushi nipa ne ato ama no obeto ama no one day bia obo hu so baba betwem hu behu no efiti wo kwhwem edwuma kura wo se wo ye no wonye o wonya because wonte ho enti mo ha wa mo na mu nyina no emfa no ho ene wonni mu so
so who say o man mu nipa yesu say na abenya ma nko ye ni me ayana because until see be through that point na ye betse amanyo ase ankasa na ye hu say wo yi leader bi so o ma be di wani ma e asudie wo na power ni kuta wo na tumi ni kuta wo delegate or man mu nipa na wo kwato aba wo na tumi ni kuta wo e na nipa na ba be sero say for mama na me nkodi wani mo enti e wo se mitimi busasa nipa ne say ade na wo be ka kire me say me mfama na eye niye no watimi aye se nipa na entimi anya e mra so se ye twi nipa ni si nchen regardless emfa ho ene ni nipa na whatever e wo se yetimi twi ni be wo se yetimi busa won but See, I'm not quite more this kind of that
MP.
One thing about politics, they say, politics itself, said the Ghanaians, yes, you have politics, you know, your fan say it is a dirty game. But that is not the real fact of politics. Yeah, politics, and you say a democracy can be. Can be very good. Now, Obia, yes, Brabidi and so. Oh, Babidi and so. Now, to make a say, oh, politics is a dirty game. Ufra Bruchri Abba. And Untina or mine or young Cosudo. If it's a nipper now, I bet now, so now would be a son. Or no, or no, anything. It's the air femono. Or be Petra yet or no Toby or the Campus or trade near Bob Mamma. A choir or Yanamusu or no about Namonka or Namka or the Mume. It's on all Felix a day, yes, yesterday. Ye feeling Nemo Essa in the Sika Kakra or one Tino. Naya Twabano. Ye within that period, Naya Twaba, any Krumo or Nayanete, or the Jokran out of the Elizabeth to Mummy. Nemo Minya Twaba money. Obia say, aha. Maybe I say water for her, a constituency. Or sorry, I was in fear one kind of so I better say, you're shiny ye mupa, I was sent on the constituents, none at not be a cost for what in you, air cost now that's or what's Nankan or Parliament House 1 near 5 now. What to make us say, oh, maybe I made my constituency, say, air cost. What was you mansion or cry? What was you mansion or East Legon? Now, East Legon, honor a quine that's one, even a that's all your friends a bosom tree. A quine that's so called Boasia, even a that's all. And so, you have a 2 abanabo say, oh, may a quine, may you say, no crampo MP or your quine. MP or your quine. And so, oh, may I more quine, Mamma, you may, or we are no pushing money in our own kind. Companies never be in one kind. Obite of one sea, obite, want to fool, or better for car, they be a bank, or some of a human. And a human now said, what's what the man on their way. And so, a sign is Sika, MP with school, not delegates, no 2 or 2 Gunechi, and almost every 2 Zimba, Suma, near Suya, Abanamo, the 2 Abanamo, we are, Shram 4 years never so pet, no Saba.
And I mean, until say, you're right. Until say, you're right, son. I mean, blame you until some mind money, and they will say, ay, and it is hard to mean a show monster. Until I say, you busson, we have to hold them accountable. Until see, we do that point, and so on the 80 a John de Mello now or to take out and no, you say,
come
and nay, MP on Monia, MP no rather take out
or background a cat into the glass. Who do it?
Until see a tear, say, ah, sir, it drew, who was here to about Modia, oh, and there, almost a year bufform, no more bufform, no more to take out any, or the park could you
oh.
After so that's one man, and one of further call
I don't go ahead.
We'll catch your own new number and pick your new number. Honorable Daniel or Chamaboaji Bantima. Sa or say honorable Kufunya, dear, a market to me, Motoma, may we say, you 2 honorable Kufu bet now, so constituency of Crampo or the way day. We need more kind of crap. And honorable Kufu says, just over 280 one man, so any of us will be a first will 2. And almost what I as I so watch it, I'm going to you. It's also enough for me. And a right or one point. If you say, men are better so, what's a man yard into young Toma? Your Toma will buy out, will cry the canogram for me. And yes, I as a CS system. As a CS system, like a certain MP and consider now to use money.
Now, your friend is a year. Sir, will be big dinner. Nowhere, no more best serene. Mobile Serene Pan, a bit to say, I obey. The encouragement I can say, a NC, or more than 6 kindly are born to a joke for more musca. Send common to our boy, what dear joke also.
Oh, on set, we are said there. Yes, said, Nipa 80 and Nimona will be the sign of one. Eh, because we are a baby back, and will be up a set of one home or another day. Or the cook. And if we are Sabra, I won't so more. Nippon would money in a so I say. And a Nippon would man, so never be believed. They be Iana make us say, a month for say, and no more universities or more Jimmy, and no money Yansa or more Quampas as Nemo, Sebi, or more Mubu SHS now or more Jimmy. Sound of 4 9 as a Continental University. Let me try to say. Any reason say, ya twaba. na se obi enya ye nyina ye nipa ebi ame na omi no ye na mfofo but ye nyina ye preposition nti ye ba publicly bia ye enemies in quotes but ye share in secret bia o ne be mfofo to said it is a mato aba ana ya to aba na asem me lucy a eno nkyere se wo ye madam funi nti no bra publicly na be gu manimu asana se bra be twetwe me se wa hia me kokwa mu dia eno nko ebi a oh we lucy o ye se wunya 2 e manya 2 eno wo but so be gina nipam na aka say na ai madam asese mo anto aba ma nipa simasi ma to aba yi me a that means say wo bu nipa na nimtia eno so na dia abufuo ne ye de eba no
winning sadly my friend maturity maturity so we are mature da ni ma bi o ha woni enti ni pepe o yes ade bia no ba publicly so ba be ku asomasi eni ma se nipa na e wadanfo wona na nante na so akoyi kwa kuti na bibi na so luzia ade tin na so ba publicly na ba be sere it doesn't show maturity wanyade apai wanyade wa show maturity
enye fine
Amonso about to emu mebo oma ba so paa ye edweso ena Teman Central omo comport omo paa ade ba ko oma ntimi anya ye se watu abawie ne yeseko osimetwen obi eno pe no mo problem aside that entoko ensi bibi boni bia ensi ko
watu aba ehwie kofie osimetwen menua unua na wo twen ro okofia hu no
ebi a obo ne bo mu bai
Ghana o say empanimfo no wo masudie and we the citizens no so no yenso ye wo yasudie if we say ye kan omo ye empanimfo no omo nyina asha ase te say yan o omo nyina they were nobody and on be somebody enti sankofo ye omo ye corrupt ya emu bia delegate mu bia wo anse bedru ba bi no na ya say party na say yin say won ko gina for MP won ko gina for president iti wa have corruption on their statue obi o ye delegate wa sha say 50 Ghana ento no obey president and obey president dia o de o man Ghana nyina be ko kusi awowa aji no kusi abonsa
nti na ye huna mane bi de make say Ghana we have enough resources they are lucky a good leadership. Saying a leader or Jimmy or mine home, which I say or Jimmy or what's about the enemy or mine munipa. Ghana from Kayam Bressa. Your biggest problem a leadership and your resources. It's a minimum say, Omocas Ghanaians are poor, this I am a mystery, we are not poor. Hey, on my head to go to so oil in Miane, in Funiane, and then in shoe, and then the end.
Ya ne penny so my Ghana.
I did not for in your Ghana. In Poprekese. Ah, your Ghana will be here. I am me who Dubai in Puntua air cost for her. I'm in time comparison, but sometimes we are comparison. We are now there. A Shenyama, a to see. On Dubai for only natural resources be bring, but her development are possible. Of course, I can't lead me, yes, leader. A leader or Betty Ejina. No, what's happened? My panel said, Mayor or my name. Hey, and for your names me. But when you are that kind of leader, where you focus that, it makes me achieve this resource. It's maybe a no idea, maybe say, that kind of leader, and yes, I did say,
a Todana said, I am a game say, I didn't know on my Ghana crown, Yina, Kabeyan, Yen Jintum, Nanka, Ghana, Yen or Kendom. Near you or Henry, I'm a so. Because what share said ye are him for no crampon or more really a small area, no crass, said you want 2 years, 6 years. Now, President, you say 8 years to be and 4 years to be a better swabber. Wouldn't himself 4 years to draw a better swabber. And so, or what's not swab. Once the first 4 years, no, any come. Yet 2 months or next 4 years now. Oh, no, I shall see a years, no, I shall see a decent phone. I didn't Tina, I was a Vanessa. Ye party you pay NSC was I am NPP, NDC, I am NDC, I am MPP, but that is not the right thing.
Yes, I don't know. It's a problem. Be focus. When no office or part by one as office of their president or my penny and I be focus anything. And then the aim, and then office or achievement here or see a man problem. A yes, obey your mind, and I don't know, obey your answer. Press over her. most of the time leaders no omo ye especially presidents no omo oye nkontudwuma bi oye me next 4 years ye besa to aba ma most of the time we read dia what they ahwe aso oye bibi a nipa nbeka say oh okay ntima ye say nti to aba ma me on say me ye say but adia nipa na nkasa ehia ebeboa ye no mibusa I am say mibusa omo say omo busa omo nim de ehia oman ni mu nipa na nkasa omo nim de ebeboa ye ana ofo say me ye bibi a next 4 years e besa to aba ma me enu nti na omo ye sane ma na omo ye because otimi so project bi mu say oye onye nwie no asako so fufuro mu no agya go no akoso fufuro mu so we focus ne say o pese empunso ba oman ni ma o so project ba ku mu a o behwe aye awie asa no aso fufuro mu hwe na ne for so be 86 hospitals good but the question is within 1 year o betimi asisa 88 hospitals na oh, the
campaign.
Do you get it? These are some of the priorities I mean, say, eh, wrong. So, if I say, oh, my year on open there, and near we be yeah, dear, reasonable. I dear him, I do it, they make me I ye at myself, and yet also no, also have no jet walk on my foot for a band, so I'm also on back to us. Also, for any send a day on those back, I said, men I'm ye into Monto Mammy. But say, oh, my year on the epi, I said, NPP president way through Swadi, also a project, no so. Ghana, ye judge and name my projects, baby, you go on my
and say, Sabia NPP, and it's about power. And no more to school race no way in let's say NPP Saba, and no more no way. Nebum says NPP no power, or more to us, or may we name this bar.
That is the biggest mistake.
Oh, my name,
yeah. The reason now, yes, I didn't say, men are missing a year book. Men are my initiative book is a mayor. It is a mere book year drew her near to about near to me free, so not a war but to us. I was all the credit in a mommy because I know it is some of the credit in the mount. Now, maybe the Missy Cababa, and maybe we make us a faster than my NPP and NBC and you made a man up for.
Credits now open up a song for your
and not paying for to say, oh, Jim, one tears.
Credits now open. Oh, it's not like we see American so or I say, oh, they be a Montoma NDC and a Montoma MPP and no one on motion. Isn't it? Yeah, your moon, growth, no one has more on Becoswania. But so focus near say, you pay your money here, and you're not doing your credits. Okay, I'm right? Mastati Bibia say, meant to me and we may call what to us. So what? At the end of the day, to me, I'm a good about money. And on my yes,
the mamma miss some mommy for we may chim. Yes, sir. Because of power will be pay. Baby and pen so be peso could drink. I was so cool, because I make a share Sunyan Easter. Now, no days, sir. Highlander Kirby or Moko Cotrating, a easy. Say Omobecuno. It's a yes, Obecunia. Now, the Abba power, and now the best tattoo Yamisum. The women said, I dear a cozy, and must say NDC in a Shumasi and Cocoon sound for Florida.
If we are Semo, there is a reason. And they say, easy, yeah, more threatened, they say, or more easy. Meaning, I say easy, the new Yabba, and now, delegates, as at now, NPP, Timmy Baba, Timber say, almost a matching for no more. But Omuntimis in the Dinka say, or more party members, and or more delegates, and as more foreigners, and as more say, a Janema, you know, maybe who say, Ebianenya NDC, Ebianenya CPP, Nemo, and Kofukobi no person or Mudi a fee at NPP Amanuko, near Cassette, or Mokrampo, your prime reason, ya can't so much on bay, and among any shade. And now say, party Nimunko for now. And they see come where they Nanina so can say open power, Umia will be Kunabi and kissing me. Mina question I may be saying and say sadly most parliament was she ni ho and o yemi anu bi ko etime kwetena ho na omo ba betena single room and so there ba the panity e wo parliament room ho no mo enti obia che se ni nweti kura obetu no da kwa kwetena
how
I don't answer.
how I do to me
and I V8 now better than Munitra
and any sika
o ba ne e boss so aben wow enu ntira na and e say go bi oda ambulance musu e bo no so aben
na the minimum say some Bible can say the love of money is the root of all evil. Say can you see can be dry and can be a day a communion. Many brisika. I'm greedy for money. I want to be rich. I want if I say nipa kotoko to me because or this year man ebano and I him man ebano so let me take to Sanya man nipa fame, power, money and a wealth and that's a new just to get those things. So until saying, I don't blame the fact that a foundation, Sanipan foundation, that is what will happen. What's the mission? Good. But Sanipan foundation, Yamisru, Australia, it will send me Yamia Bonea, Yamigo Samia, one year's idea. But so we sign and Australia with the one, and you'll be every land to do that. But the person we catch one way, so they say, every cause has an effect. To every cause there is a reaction. You would never go scot-free. It won't go cool. Now we found it's all now we're trying to say,
so dear bedre, that's Asha 4 year child waba. You buy the diacano, a betons. Yamasha 4 Aquaba. As I deba Ashtown online TV so. Yanina any memen de abatwa your cotoye and send 70 be a course. Ana ya pay a penny ba kwa pesi and any churchin como. E home. Say a ye. Say o penny woo pe post be a. Obekwa kotu sika. Wunju hundiana. And an also nan chain. Yenim say. Adia ye woman. Yaria abetua o my Ghana. Ye, sesa mrewe no. Ye to aba. Anase ye mo biska, ye show bi kutu pase ne show. Chinchina betua aba ne mame. Anampo so de ade mpoma wo se beto mame ne se wan to ama na. Wo ho kwan. So o sa beji na ade na o de ma wo ne bag. Wo ho kwan. When yenya be me bi e friend Kwaku Asante. O ye social commentator. Ye pesi ene ne twetwe nkomo kakra efa ho. Hello Kwaku Asante.
Hello dear.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon madam.
Se bibi aboko de.
Na me adem na mo so e.
Etera dia se. We there na no day memenda na ba e course o moto ye de wantwi bi ba biaye ba ntema ho subin new job nje se baby bebre ye di bi mpo she dem mutu omumu se ye mo nto aba 11:30 na ye nya nto aba we na ye pese ye bisa ensem bi fa ho na ya hwefo nso te ehunu die ekoso ewom se esa ye se obi a wo pe post na wutimi kwehwe obi kutupa wo manipa ne sika se je me de me ngimi hunni enti je na beto mame eye ba cho boye ntwemu kakra ewo ho maye
Mame na se na me ma ahwefo nyina akwaba 92 ana yenya democratic rule aba a sha se beto aba na obi age na dwenkyere aba afa abatom party bia ye ne nhyehyɛ ye ne de na yemfa ka se afia ba na yedi ti yanyina NPP for eso around 2016 hona no moto aba eye omu executive na eji parliamentary na say presidential no one key member nanado na oya president ni ejinem say ye expanding numbers no ko polling agent eno na ma yenya polling agent na sene obusa say eye say ebetu obi kutupa so jiska anajiwe ansa na otoba no eje meka say da bi enye because ɛyɛ ɔman no ho dɔ nti na wopɛ sɛ ɔbɛsom nti gye nti na ɛsɛ ɔbɛ mu obi sika sɛ ɔnkɔto aba ma no nanso yɛhwɛ biribi sɛ ɛyɛ ade a ayɛayɛ fitete ana ɛɛbaa na yɛanhwɛ ne yi a generation upon generation saa de yɛbɛtoa so da biara because one my delegate no side delegate say ɔto aba no ma mpini wie a wohu ne biem is the next 4 years nti saa de a saa da na ɔbɛto aba no ne kookoo season nti ɔbɛgye ne sika mpini nso say sɛ delegate no ɔkɔpere aba no a ɔmo gye ne sika ansa na matɔ ma no nti wɔn nso wɔgye aba no wie a 4 years because wɔtua ɔmo ka nti ɔto aba no wie a wɔnti ne nka biem nti saa adwintoa wei ɛbɛkɔ so akɔ so ɛnyɛ sɛ yɛanhwɛ ne yɛnka ho asɛm bra daakye bi ɛbɛboro saa daakye bi wɔn kɔ a ebi sɛ bi tɔ fie bi sɛ bi tɔ kaa kɛseɛ sɛnea wotiti ana wokan ebi etua 35 million ebi bicycle ne ade nti meme to ade saa suban we de yɛnyan a ɛbɛha yɛ pa sanse sɛ wonni sika mpo a wɔanhwɛ a abato no ntumi nkɔpere bi ba mamemfa to bi abrante bi wɔ Kumase a na ɔkɔ ni pani bi hyiae na pani bi sɛ ɔkyerɛkyerɛ na adwene wo ba pani sɛ abrante wo no nyansa pa na so pani bi sanse o store ɛsɛ ɛwɔ adum a kyɛ sɛ na adwene wo a nyansa adwene wo a ɛwɔ no pani na mu sɛ wo ne mum ne store ɛwɔ adum kyɛ sɛ wo nyansa bia dodoa no a wo pɛ sɛ ɔde so man no unya kwan da but you busa say usika ewe e say position ne pe na dane highest bidder wa wo sika no na oba woni sika dia yes wunya bi e sa de we be higher pa say ya pe ni puma sibre enene ya e be to aso ama de be sikra enye
ku ye da sina me say bisa asem we yo emra ye wo mu ye nyina nim yare a sabre abeto ayen na ebro mo beto aba no mo ka so mo de niam bi egu akwan mu se wo be wo horo wonsa wo be use sanitizer enso mra aba na ekoso no ye hu sa wo emra time ne so mo to aba no empo ye bobo aba ne wie no be hwa jubilation ekoso ankosa enti sa de we ebeboa ye sa yare ebeboa ye e wa abato yi mu ana se nko munye bibi emfanfa ho maye
I was aban ene titiriu either say party and answer if the moment fan call the December 7th elections because na ye can call election over jubilation amount for jubilate ya on say wudi nkuni mo bibi mu a e de pa say ubeka say metieti amani wani on say Ghana so ye fan say the no asenya ekobi no ko say ye nche no sma se bi nche ye nyese enti sa effect a wo jubilation no e be den e dey maye say because obi mo obi jubilate but how do we do it because what you wanya winning the original but e kwan ba so na be fa so a be jubilate and no say ye educate the public on that and also sa aduma no e so aban NCC any equal be educate say ubetuma juani but any general ehun kwan ya be fa so agi isan say ni normal times me pa cho what you say
ai enti ansana meja mo wakono me pese mi bisa say yes the yisi ehun nyina na e wo say wo carry on because your friend say primaries nimponi shedie course so bantama ne de keka ho na presidential election yes yisi be carry on and na afa so no yisi be carry on na e de be niam sa e no won fa nwu kwan mu mayai se de be ya abato ne be yefo amaye.
Okay, for me yisi ese otwaso because abato na ngasa dia ya problem in voting, you know. It's an precaution to in the primaries. The only thing about is aftermath of the election and a jubilation buy. wo hwɛ sɛ ɛyɛ registration pilot na wokɔ na ɔhoro nsa na wabɛdi like social distancing woba wasanitize na wabɛyɛ wo deɛ na wokɔ ehwɛ bi ehwɛ no wɔ TV so madam ma modi bi tutu mfidie nso me ehwɛ no kyɛ sɛ yisi no betuma akɔ so a register nipa no ami ato aba no enti say a ye musu no ɔmo so ɛmmoa it's all about education ɔmo educate ye public ni say this and this and this and this I think sɛ bɛboa ama ye pɛ sɛ ye bia no betuma aboa ama December 7th election ne come registration ye ba ye betuma ye ama na yi.
Kwa sante we de beda wase say ye fra wunya amra ne ye twetwe nkom
Me so madam as
Ashafo ye nwa be kwa sante o ye social commentator ene ye te ne nka no wa manie ma ye easy amaye wa keka ne mu aboma kyerɛkyerɛ bi nso eni so akyerɛ ye enti ye twa ye ho aba ye ba ye be sade de wa akyerɛ no ebe som Yamaya shafo akwaba nsupiem. Ede pese ebubo edin oma omugina wo constituency. Oma omunyaye ene oma omulusu ye no. Ene pese ebubo omudin ede kyerem. Ye nyina enim se eya memende etwa emu. Ena NPP amenyoko koto aba ekoyi omukoyi omunam sifo mbesi omanam wo mrahye bedwem ewa afimpi mienu ne eduonu abato a ebekonyu na nipa omugina ye eye 374 ewo ena omu contest wo 168 constituency emu 325 ye mema ena emu 51 enso eye emma na emu 67 enso ni obia enyina na constituency no edinie ene wo ma omugina wo mu no me sha ase dia me sha ase afri kumewu omo omugina ye no Robert Ahomeka Lance wonya 52 Dr. Yao Bano onso nya 60 Edward Kofi Osei wonya 73 Philip Basua onso nya 184 neche se yenua be ma Philip Basua wono na efaye Yanko wa East ehonso Godfrey Bayon Tangu wonya 182 Adam Badun wonya 16 Salifu Yakubu wonya 214 sorry Dr. Sarukun onso nya 140 ena incumbent ne de wa rekora wenya ba kompo Yanko Edweso so John Kuma wonya 397 Kwabena Orusu onso nya 307 Abena Pokia wonya numpe enti neche se Edweso so de ofaye John Kuma Yasanfe eni ntwemu Sunyan East ehonso de ojina ye Kwesi Ameyaw wonya 605 ena de otoso biem ye Kwadwo Asante onso nya 394 na se Kwadwo Asante ene fa asa seat no ewo ho no yemfa ye ni ntwemu Ablekuma North ehonso Shela Sams wonya 518 Nana Epia Efriye wonya 315 Kwadwo Bewua wonya 88 John Agbote wonya 20 ena honso no de woteso dada no ono nso ereye se de mu nyina monim no Kofi enkrofo are omare papa wudi wani twemu woye kumewu a friend say wa east opanyi na we na de benti na ebeba se de woteso dada oye mpuntu omakuru no na the next 4 years ebeto aba ye be ni to akonya Queen Mr. Tiefushi
na se wa man hombody no
sa
ese ni panani an so constituency no mo constituency no many an so eduma ya an so ni enti sa dia na se obi abon hombody dia emi ese bi se ni penifo kan o se de one more no near the food
Japan e piano.
It is all food Japan there and home piano. And say I'm on home
No, say one more
you my answer.
Coffee.
Nana. Asem we dey more arrow. Say MP a oti akonya so. Na ye beto aba wo wa woman sim.
Na we di
Na say
ntwo.
wa constituency no we di ntwo. Eya. Na any say isi den na obi a wo ti akonya so utimi lusu sama ne yi. Na ohun obi a otike mu a otwika one co speed a obetimi aka chem say bibi twam ba hu ti me dia bom.
Yes.
Hwe on say yen constituency no and I say yen nipa na ye te constituency no. Ye mu bebre lay people, ye nim hwe yanko school. Na ebra so say empanyufo no ma yen te omasede yankasa as MP. Me ba no ma be hye wo bo say abrewa me ba me be ye wo kwan ama. Me ba me be ma wo ba na we school na wo tifi me be ba na adwuma ye. Abrekora me nim say me MP ankasa no enye masede ne say me ye kwan. Enye masede ne say me pa adwuma ma youth. De me chawa tia say eti say ye to obeyi me wie na me kotena so wa afi sa akonya no esan say me nya ne nti no me nkofo ne to wo se ma ye dan me di omu nyamo. Nenso ade anka metimi aye ne say bia oh se moto aba na mo yimi a meboa ene mpanyimfo ahodo aka aboma mama ye den abeboa wo eti hwe se okotena parliament ho a ekwan na enye me MPP ni ye fa say me MPP ni ena magina na ya to aba ma me ma be ye MP ama new tafo me ba ye no esan se o power crowd ya wasema enye den kra if say one nkofo ya na ye den ewo ho se nkofo ni ho kra na se woni power cramp na omote parliament omo nyina omo ye na fofo je se omo ba abontia no mo ba ye omo ho bi obetimi akọ ebia ministry of road eho say ebia oh chale me kwan ni enye me sew hwe na omonye de enye ma me na emom esan se me ma hye nkofo bo se me be ya ma omo ni ti no ma megina kwan ni ma mo hu se aha ode hye be ye kwan ne de enye me na me ye na emom oka che nipa ne se oh meboa ene nipa asemasi amama be ye kwan no se nipa no da che hu se bia nadmofo bi NGO bi gina kwan ne so yo nim se oh ye nipa asemasi na ye den eye nanso yadada omo saa ade a enye ya sede no ene ye de hye omo tu paso omo fanto eti na aba ne saa if say asem o kan wantima ni so na se wo be ye kwan no anya kwan de o te so wo ye den ana de ye friend se be
se o matu no
ye tu o ma
oh
Now say so say so mo chechero na ni so mo chechero no mo be ha o
eno so ne asem if say ye de ashe o mama na komo
eta ye wo ko de ni kwa so o chera ka na ade another thing I'm going to say that to me process idea no so ye kesania bi kan priorities o se o buy kwan mama but be some say kwan no na me here na so I'm
so your point
MP no o buy o say oh to aba mama me ye o kwan mama na me no o kwan na o na e me problem nti e bia to constituents need to solve your problem e bia no wa ye bi so I'm the make sure e bia no wa ye bi but e bia me no no mo I believe it's about time man MP for so mo be share ni here constituents na kasa so I dey almost feel say aha no me nya nyema say wa ha e be boy e dey punto ba eno na wo so motion nya ne wo feel say wo ya we nya di so that's it
yanto aso do me kwa benya Mike Okwe Jr. onya 488 Adwa Safo onya 496 na say ye ma me ye nua ba Adwa Safo ono ne ho nso wo faaye ne emra sante manten mu ye fe ni ntwemu oba ntema asenso boache onya 456 Daniel Ochem Abuaje onya 122 ena no so de wote so no ora hosem ye tu no kware na asem ye me ya ye tu no one Daniel Ochem Abuaje no ena Okaikwe South and so Dakwa Newman onya 440 Ahmed Atta onya 327 and just one so Dakwa Newman ena efaye Adenta Yabuaben Asamoah 422 Emmanuel Mante 217 Raman Zak 83 Alfred Abebio Kumi 10 Frida Sapon 7 na chese ehwo nso no yaw boaben asamwa ene ho nso no nso faaye yentu fa ne enko na vrongo central Tangwe Abayaga wenya 307 Joseph Kofi Ada wenya 266 na ese Abayaga ene ho nso ofaaye Yankotema East Titus Glover wenya 522 Benjamin Ama wenya 233 ehon nso Titus ono na efaye New Jobbing South Michael Ochrebefi 372 Asebi Yabua 200 Nese Michael ena ehon nso New Jobbing ono nso efaye Achem Oda William Kotu wenya 167 Alexander Akum ono nso nya 215 na chese ehwo nso no Alexander ene ho nso ono nso faaye yanko Jobbing also Ama Poma Boateng enya 192 Alexander Opompoku enya 184 ehwo nso Ama Poma Boateng ena ehwo nso ono nso faaye Asante Achem South ehwo nso ye Osei Kofo yenyina yenua bema obo wonya 296 ena Asante Boateng enso nya 360 na yese hon so yenua bema obo edintwo Asante Boateng ene faaye yanko kwesimintim also Prince Ama enya 222 Joe Mensa enya 167 na yese hon so de oteso dada no so edi entwo de oteso dada ni di uche na chese Prince Ama ena efa ehode no ne efa ni ntwemu a Okakoi North Isa Fuseni enya 305 Ken Kwanchi enso nya 285 patwa for ya mo fanchem edin no ebi wo ho a menye familiar with it why ye fa ni ntwemu o yendi also Farouk Mahama enya 244 Abibata Zakaria enya 210 Baba Osman enso nya 139 na chese hwano nso no Farouk ena ofaye yenkwa Esunafo North constituency Evans Opoku Bobie 675 Paul Jain 12 Farouk Nkrumah 122 na se Asunafu ehonso Evans Opoku Bobie ena efaye Techimai North Martin Oti Jako onunso nya 346 O Smart onunso nya 105 na chese hono Oti Jako ena efaye Aguna West Cynthia Morrison 584 Samuel Obodiai 171 Otu Yelson 23 Nese Honsu Cynthia ena efaye Nkransa North Major Derek Odro 237 Jacqueline Boatima Bonus Onosu nya 195 Nese Hono Major Derek Odro ena ofaye Yanko Nkransa South Charles Konedu wonya 438 Eric Efa Dohina onoso nya 244 na chese Nkransa South Charles Konedu ono na efaye Infansimen hey kurobidini Infansimen James Kosa Brown wonya 255 Eko Kwansa Hayford wonya 611 Nese Eko Kwansa Hayford ena ofaye Wenchi Prof Jan Bafo wonya 172 Tena Abrefijan wonya 61 Kwajo Frempon wonya 148 Ya Opoku Etuahene wonya 19 Ameyaw Albert wonya 167 na chese wenchi wonso no Prof Jan Bafo ono na efaye yemfe ni ntwemu wo so tuom anya so tuom Derek Adomaku Kisi onya 324. Nanama Asafo Ejei onya 2 pe. Edna Patricia Saki onusunya 3. Nechese hwanso no Dexon Adomaku Kisi ene 5.
Se okopiem ewo Tema West constituency so a ye onya eye Cletus ahenkwa onya 593. Afi kwaku amekwezi amuzu a onusunya 76. Kwesi koku ensunya 177. German South your fire eye yaw afo onya 325. Alex Ewua ensunya 74. Prince Yebu Amafo enya 253. Atwoma Kwamoma Dr. Apia Kubi onya 69. Amankwa Opoku onusunya 415. Nana Kwaku Owusu onusunya 175. Your fire eye Amankwa Opoku. Mamponso eye Kwaku Aprachum onusunya 295 ono ne fire. Ena Ben Ata ene ni si kan onusunya 206. Francis Ade Nimo enso enya 137. Asuna North enso Evans Opoku Bobie on the fire onya 7675. Ena fi Paul Jan enso nya 12. Ena Farouk Nkroma enso nya 122. Asante Achem North Andy Apia Kubi on the fire onya 501. Kwakuba Ajeman Kro Esutifi North Joseph Daha enya 161. Patrick Bano enya 189 ono ne fire. Ena Steven Ekuokon enya 778. Frempong Williams esunya 41. Subin JB Dankwa enya 166. Ena Eugene Entry enya 485. Eugene ene fire. Manson Kwanta Emmanuel Bwachi Yado enya 38. Albert Kwam enya 157. George Obeng enya 217 on the fire. And afi Owusu Mensa enya 40. Grace Ado enya 189. Oko Tolon constituency so a Wahab Sumuni Bubia enso enya 164. Habib Idrisu enya 338 on the fire. And a Jagu Bako enya 10. Mohammed Zakaria enya 20. Hajia Amana Saibu enya 2. Otafo Eko Vincent Asifua enya 299 on the fire. Karusewa Danko enya 133. Prince Opon enya 90. Emmanuel Obeng 44. Lord Lancer enya 27. Enafe Akibab Aqua enya 0. Cape Coast North Barbara Asha Aisi enya 199 on the fire. Lawrence Ampa enya 150. Joseph Thomas Bedu enya 63. Philip Landon enya 26. Gomwa West Alexander Kojo Aban enya 525. Abbas Kojo Aqua enya 192. Alexander so ene fire. But ya no English ya amanfo enso Sylvester Tete enya 317 on the fire. Ena Alhaji Habib Sad enya 178. Takra denso Kobi Ochre da Kumensa ene fire onya 343. Ena fe Janet Edna Nyame enya 197. Shama constituency Ato Panford enya 209. Ena Abeka enya 263. Abeka so ene fire. Ahantan West Ebenezer Kwajokum enya 472 on the fire. Ena Kwesi Bini enya 249. Efia constituency so Joseph Kujo enya 312 on the fire. Ena fe Dr. Adwa Kwabriba enya 105. Moha enso Alex Ejekum enya 100. John Kobina Amwa Senior enya 192 on the fire. Also the ote akonya so prinpin edincho. Ukopiem wa Amefi Western so a Patrick Same enya 234. Edward Amo Aqua enya 562. Also the ote akonya so edincho. Abuapa North Gifty Chum Ampofo enya 150 on the fire. Kofi Obeng Mensa enya 112. Nana Sewa Echampon enya 35. K Amwa enya 116. Awutu Senya West George Anda enya 438 on the fire. Joseph Edu 191. Upper Densha East and so Dr. Festus Kofi and the fire unya 279. Nana Amwa enya 243. Need Yodu enya 51. Charles Afari enya 14. Dotia kunya so edincho. Esekuma Odobeng Brakwa. Emmanuel Ej Domso enya 244 on the fire. Samuel Ofori Ampofo enya 162. Anthony Ifa enya 192. Ampon Ansa Banosku enya 25. Bright Kumi enya 9. Ernest Kwejo Smith enya 4. Dotia kunya so edincho. Ebura Asebu Kwaman Kese enso Eva Elvis Morris Donko enya 457 on the fire. Ena Kwabena Nyante enya 220. Asen North Abena Drowa Mensa enya 389 on the fire. Eric Amankwa Blay onoso enya 44. Abrante na odi ntwa wo se wontia city okoje ne bicycle. Emmanuel Entry Bosiakon onoso enya 6. Echiase enso kowa Robert Kwesi Amoa enya 127. Samuel Oche Donko enya 2. Emmanuel Kwabena Brako enya 5. Ena Kofi Ahenkra Mafo enya 186. Kofi Ahenkra so ena 5. Walele nso okowa Larabi Abudu enya 275. Dr. Suna Aga enya 161. Dr. Agri Bambaji enya 96. Da also okopimo wa Larabi ena efaye. Ena fe so said Boyoyo enso enya 443. Ena Ibrahim Isahaku enso enya 24. Ena Dr. Gidana Zakari enso enya 23. Enkoko Eric Kwache Dafo enya 159. Joseph Frimpong 206 on the fire. Seth Ej Ba enya 166. David Asante enya 73. Joyce Opoku Boateng enya 82. Kwabena Edusa enya 28. Dote Akunyaso edincho. Dansia Sopa enso KT Amond enya 238 on the fire. Samuel Binford Dakwa enya 180. Hammond and the fire ewo. Sisala West Patrick Adamu enya 147 ono ni sia Akunyaso sesia waduncho. Salifu na Nawulwia enso enya 221 ono ne fire. John Basco enya 9. Dotia Akunyaso say dem kan Patrick Adamu eni dincho. Sisala East Redwan Bauda enso enya 195. Ena Ishahaku Amidu enso nya 250. Ishahaku na enyae. Ena call Laura nso a Anthony Cabo enya 403. Ena Joseph Donta enya 32.
Ende ahefo de masumwa. De mokoye no. Ene o ma moju o musika na amanto ama no. Mate na mohunu bi na mentiase o. Ebi nyaze o. Ade se nipa na no awanto ama no ho ana.
On se boy no akoye se wo ye delegate ena woto aba. Ena omo a omo prayer no so efa na enye delegate. It is a wonye delegate untumi nto aba. Ena se wanya o campaign dey so a delegate no so ento aba mo. Se de ni wantwi asika kakra mo kekere ma se anya omo da because me beti e be delegate maji 50 Ghana, maji 200 Ghana. Wa wo die mu odu na meto ama wo. Iti na no ena ma no ba.
Na che se wono ndo hwa wan to bi.
Ena homework yi.
Hey zero.
Na che se asami a wo kan ti sa de a yen lecture ba ko Ken University. Dr. Mwako the political sciences or say NPP PRIMARIES no more a auction na election because the highest bidder wins.
I
just say auction election. See, then they are
e da shofo ye twa ye ho aba Ye ba de to aso no ye be sa de asom. Ena shafo ye ma munyina akwaba munyina munim se dodo akonya no ye ntena so nche e wo se ye sorry no obi nso ebetena so ye me kire NPP phone ensema ye pensen mu uko YouTuber ye demo live Instagram Facebook Twitter ye demo live eno ane so bebo Ashtown online TV wo dey online impo free nebo Ashtown TV wo be hu ye live ewo honom na medama bedwafo ase Kofi na minshiro mo Queen na minshiro mo say ye to nsafre o munya abotre na mode ebesomye aha ena bre ebe makwan ameye de impense mu e de besom ebesi midin de nana abna acheman medamase